Most people chase money, often tirelessly, but very few truly understand the underlying patterns that govern its flow. Money doesn't simply disappear. Instead, it moves, quietly and predictably, in intricate patterns that the truly wealthy recognize long before anyone else. In this insightful video, I'll reveal the hidden wealth pattern, a powerful system built not on mere luck or chance, but on meticulous observation, profound psychology, and disciplined control. You'll learn precisely how to decode significant financial shifts, spot lucrative opportunities well before they go mainstream, and effectively reprogram your own habits. This will allow you to follow the exact rhythm millionaires consistently use to grow their wealth quietly and strategically. From understanding money cycles and mastering emotional timing to employing strategic silence, every wealthy individual, consciously or not, follows this profound pattern. Stay with us until the very end, because the final, crucial piece, what we call the reset phase, is what truly separates those who rise just once from those who rise forever.